Hi there, my name is LeeMarie. I'm joining you with Health Yoga Life. I am a current faculty member for the Health Yoga Life Teacher Training Program, a former graduate of the Health Yoga Life Teacher Training Program, and I'm also a corporate wellness specialist. So I look to bring yoga and meditation into the workplace all around the country and helping people transform their teams really with the power of breath and mindful movement. On that note, today we're going to be going through a gentle yet energizing chair yoga and breathing sequence that is really designed to help break up the day and infuse a little bit of movement and energy from wherever you are. So all you need to get started is a chair, a comfortable seat, preferably one that will not roll away. So something stable and rooted to the ground. And you'll come into that chair, planting the feet firmly on the earth, closing the eyes just to tune into the body for a moment here. Inviting in a deep inhale through the nose and long exhale through the mouth. And then gently opening the eyes. And we'll start with something called alternate nostril breathing. In Sanskrit, this is called Nadi Shodhana. Nadi meaning energy or channel or flow, and Shodhana meaning purification. So this alternate nostril breath can really get into the sinuses, into the brain, and make you feel more balanced. It's a purification of the energy flow. So starting with your thumb and your middle finger, you can choose whichever hand you'd like. Plugging your right nostril with your thumb, inhaling through your left nostril, plugging your left nostril with your middle finger and exhaling through your right nostril. Inhale again through the right. Feel the nostril, exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Feel, exhale right. Keep going with your own breath. The breaths might get longer as you start to work through this energy. Breathing in and out. Take about 4 more rounds. Longer and longer. You might notice you get a little more space to breathe. 2 more rounds. Final inhale, exhale. Releasing hands to the palms to the thighs. Inhale the heart forward, seated cow pose. Exhale, chin to chest, seated cat pose. Inhaling for cow and cat, exhale. Keep moving with the breath. Cow pose, breathe in. Cat pose, breathe out. A few more rounds, cow to cat. 2 more, cow pose. Inhale through your nose. Cat pose, exhale. Last one. And cat. Come back up, neutral spine. Sweep your arms up high. And take a gentle twist. Left hand to right thigh. Right arm behind you on the back of the chair. Inhale, lengthen up your spine. And exhale, twist it out. 1 more like that. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, rinse. Come back up through center. Sweep the arms up high. And twist right hand to left thigh. Left arm behind you. Inhale, feel lengthen your spine. Exhale to twist deeper. 2 more. One more. Come back through the center, sweep your arms up, look up, and just fold forward. Drop your torso to your lap. Let your hands come to the earth. Let your head hang. Nodding yes. Shaking no. Come back up. Sweep the arms up. Hands to heart. We'll take a couple hip openers here. So seated figure 4 pose. Cross your left ankle over your right thigh. Straightening out that bottom foot. Sweep your arms up high and just fold gently down. So you can kind of cradle the legs here, cradling the left arch of the foot and cradling the left thigh. You should feel a nice stretch in the left hip. Take deep breaths in and out. 2 more deep breaths. If you've been sitting a lot today, this is really good for your hips. And switch that out. Left foot to the earth. Cross the right ankle over the left thigh. Sweep the arms up high. Breathe in. And just gently bow forward, cradling that right leg. Reach for the right arch and underneath the right thigh. If you don't feel this in your hip, maybe just bow a little deeper with your torso. 2 more breaths. Inhaling and exhale. Last one. Plant the right foot down on the earth and rise up to standing. Taking your chair, turn it towards the front or turn it sideways so you can hold on to the back of the chair, and then scooch your legs out behind you and just take a nice upper back stretch here. So hands are on the chair back, feet hips width distance, and you're letting the weight of the upper body stretch in between the shoulders, the shoulder blades, the upper back. Take a couple deep breaths here. The head can be soft. Just a final stretch of the whole spine. And then gently release the hands from the chair and fold forward, opposite hand reaching to opposite elbow. Just sway back and forth. And then release the hands down, walk the feet together, and rise up to stand. Come all the way up to standing, drawing hands to your heart, closing your eyes. And just as we began this chair yoga sequence, let's close it out with a shared breath. Take a deep inhale, fill up, and an open mouth exhale. Opening up the eyes, arms by the sides. I hope you enjoyed this gentle yoga sequence and breath work that we had today. This is kind of the feeling that you will get in our virtual yoga studio with Health Yoga Life. So the opportunity to practice in a chair or on your mat for a classic yoga sequence. We offer over 18 classes live on our schedule each week. So your employees can feel free to tune into our regularly scheduled classes, or we also offer private yoga classes where we can bring yoga into your remote workplace and really join your employees who might be perhaps distant, working from home. They can all take a yoga class together and just feel that energy shift either during the day or maybe at the end of the day. So we're happy to work with you on that. If you have camera shy employees, no pressure, no problems. Anyone is allowed to either participate on camera or to disable their camera so that they can have a more private practice. And really all we're trying to do here is to bring happiness and health and wellness to your employees. Let them feel balanced. Let them feel like they can be transformed during their day with these simple movements, yoga, and meditation. If you want to know more about what we can bring to your workplace, feel free to visit us at www.healthyogalife.com. Again, my name is LeeMarie. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful time and that we see you on your mat very soon.